Hey there, welcome back to our channel, your trusted partner in all things about making crafts. Today, we're gonna show you how to get the best out of our sanders on a terrazzo. Let's get started. We've got 4 little helpers here: flat sander, pointed sander, concave sander, and the convex sander, all packed with features that make your grinding work a breeze. Alright, let's put these bad boys to work. We've got robust sandpaper here that can handle both dry and wet conditions, no cutting needed. And look at this, a Velcro design that lets you switch sandpapers in a snap. Say goodbye to wasted time fumbling with the sandpaper. We're going from 100 grit for coarse grinding, to 400 grit for fine grinding, to 1000 grit for that ultra smooth finish. Now, we're doing some serious grinding with 100 grit sandpaper. By the way, check out these handles, designed to fit your hand perfectly for a comfortable grip. No aching hands after hours of DIYing. We promise. Flat sander. This is your go-to tool for smoothing out large, flat surfaces. Its wide base ensures an even finish, making your terrazzo pieces look absolutely flawless. Next, we switch to 400 grit for some finer touches. When using 400 grit sandpaper for sanding, we suggest using a circular motion. This technique allows for a more even distribution of pressure, which results in a smooth and consistent finish. And to wrap it up, a bit of polishing with 1000 grit for that smooth as silk finish. For the final touch, we recommend using 1000 grit sandpaper. This finer grit is perfect for polishing, giving your terrazzo artwork that last bit of shine and smoothness. Here's a handy tip, folks. If your sandpaper gets dirty during use, don't worry. You can simply rinse it with water, and it will be as good as new. This not only cleans the sandpaper, but also extends its lifespan. Keep your tools clean, and they'll keep your work looking its best. Let's not forget about our concave sander, also known as the outer arc sander. It's an incredibly useful tool when it comes to sanding curved edges. With its unique design, it fits perfectly into any arcs, allowing you to achieve a seamless and smooth finish. It's a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast working with terrazzo. Finally, here comes the magic moment. Rinse your terrazzo creation underwater. This not only cleans up any remaining dust but also brings out the hidden, stunning colors of the material. It's like a magic reveal. Now, your terrazzo masterpiece stands ready to awe and inspire. Revel in your creativity. Let's shine a spotlight on our convex sander. This tool is your perfect companion for dealing with the external surfaces of rounded objects. Its design allows it to fit snugly against these forms, ensuring a smooth and even finish on your terrazzo art pieces. The convex sander is just the ticket for circular products with a diameter less than 12 centimeters. Look at it go, smoothing out the surface like a champ. Got circular inner walls? No problem. The versatile concave sander isn't limited to just curved edges. It's also a superstar when it comes to sanding the interior surfaces of cylindrical shapes. Its unique design allows it to conform effortlessly to these surfaces, ensuring a perfectly smooth and even finish. Now, feast your eyes on our finished candle jar. It's truly a sight to behold. The sanding process has transformed it, bringing out a lustrous shine and smoothness. And those pesky hard-to-reach corners? The pointed sander takes care of them in a jiffy. No more struggling with those hard-to-reach corners. Let's check them out. This tool is a real game changer for those hard-to-reach corners. Its pointed design allows it to access corners and crevices that other sanders can't reach. It ensures that every part of your project receives the attention it deserves. No nook or cranny is too challenging for the pointed sander. A final rinse with water, and we're done. And there you have it. Folks, with those amazing sanders, your DIY projects are as easy as 1 to 3. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. We can't wait to share more exciting projects with you.